How to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll guide you through some effective solutions to fix those archive stories that aren't just appearing or working correctly. Now let's dive right in. First things first, open your Instagram and then go to the profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three horizontal lines. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Now what you have to do is tap on archive and then check if your story is set on live archive or post archive. Tap on the drop down and then change it to stories archive. If your stories still aren't showing up, it's time for some troubleshooting. What you have to do is from your settings, scroll down and go to apps and media section. From here, tap on archiving and download and then make sure save story to archive option is toggled on. This will automatically save photos and videos to your archive so you don't have to save them to your phone. Now return to your archive and see if your stories have reappeared. And that's it for today's content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I'll see you in the next video.